It's 30 degrees today, and I've decided to cut in my new hair system. Here it is. I've got it all taped up, ready to go on the mannequin. What I'm going to probably do is, well, once it's cut, I'm not even going to bother cut my own hair because I'm too hot, to be honest with you. So I'm actually going to cut it on the mannequin and then attach it with tape to my head because I think it's too hot for glue today. And but it'd be good. I'll do some close-ups of what actually, because that's a question I'm asked quite a lot. What's the difference between a glued and taped hairline? Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do a taped hairline just to show you how bad or not so bad it looks. And then I'll probably do a glued hairline. And then it'll probably go white with the sweat. And I can probably show you what that looks like as well. Because for new wearers, that's quite a sort of unsettling thing. When you have a brand new system fitted, it looks all beautiful on the day. The glue's transparent. And then you go out, you sweat. And then the kind of glue goes white again. And then, of course, because the lace is kind of flesh coloured, the white glue layer underneath the lace kind of promotes the visual of the lace, and then it just looks terrible. So maybe I could, let's see how it goes, and maybe I can show you that too. Let's give it a trim. Right, so that's the more or less my usual cut lengths that I have, my usual styles. Let's now get it off the mannequin head, get it taped up again. And right, so it's all taped up, and what I'll do is attach it now and show you what a taped hairline looks like. I've left a little gap there so it isn't a continuous kind of band all the way around, so that I can switch to a glue hairline just after. Right, it's literally lifted already. It's that so hot, not even the tape is sticking. So I've just blow dried it a little bit, just to try and get it down, and then I'll quickly try and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I think that's pretty much down now. So that is a taped hairline. It's not horrendous. Probably it's just so hot though, even the tape's struggling. You know what I mean? But, so you can see the tape. I mean, that's the difference between glue and tape. You can definitely see the edge of the tape under the lace. There's no doubt about that. But you know, I'm really close up to the camera. So the hairdryer worked. I don't know how long it's going to stay clear for, but I'll just pop the front down onto the tacky glue, and let's see what this glued hairline looks like. It's a good bond actually. Right, so let's go out for the daylight shot before the glue goes white, which I got a feeling it will. But yeah, pretty good. A glued hairline is so much more undetectable, whereas with the tape you can see the edge of the tape at the front. The glue is much more invisible. So it's been about an hour now since we did the glue attachment. Sweating for my craft, trying to make a perfect hairline, which was absolutely brilliant, go bad and go white. Such is the craft, and it's starting to. So if I zoom in now, can you see how you can now see the lace? You can now see the once transparent glue is now got white spots in it. And that probably, if I don't stop sweating, that continues to go completely white, or it's even lifted a bit as well. But if I left that, it would actually go back to being transparent on its own, and not only that, but it would rebond as well. So okay, so a few hours have passed now since the glue went all white at the front. I've done nothing. I haven't kind of rebonded it, changed the glue, I haven't done anything like that. I've just left it alone. I've given it a chance to kind of calm down, my head to be cool, the sweat to evaporate, and it's just, as you can see, gone back to that lovely transparent natural look all by itself. Even that little bit that lifted on this side, I think, where you could see the lace, I think that is all kind of restuck as well. So yeah, all good now. So the moral of the story is, if you do get the whitening effect, just ignore it and it should sort itself out. Right, well, I guess it's bye-bye then, my old scratch mate. See you later.